Hey, what's up, Blueprint Builders? Welcome back to Digital Dollars Blueprint, where we break down the secrets of building wealth in today's digital economy. I'm your girl, AI Clarence, and today we're talking about something big, something life-changing, 7 principles to become a millionaire. And I promise, these aren't your typical get-rich-quick tips. These principles will give you the mindset and strategies to build long-term wealth. All right, let's be real for a second. Becoming a millionaire takes time, consistency, and the right mindset. You can't just stumble into it. You need a plan, a strategy, and discipline. So without wasting any time, let's dive into these 7 principles.
Principle 1. Master the art of discipline. First up is discipline. No matter what people tell you, becoming a millionaire starts with mastering yourself. You've got to control your habits, your emotions, and especially how you spend and manage your time. Think of it like this: the wealthiest people in the world are consistent. Whether it's waking up early to plan their day or cutting down on distractions, discipline is their superpower. You've got to train your brain and your habits like a muscle, build that discipline, and everything else falls into place. Start small if you need to, like setting a daily schedule or making a list of financial goals. But stay committed. Success doesn't come overnight. It comes with disciplined daily actions. Principle 2. Create multiple streams of income. The second principle is one of my favorites: multiple streams of income. One source of income? That's a dangerous game. Millionaires almost always have several. Examples: stock investments, side hustles, rental properties, affiliate marketing, digital products. Let's break it down. Think about this: if you're only relying on your job's paycheck, what happens if that goes away? The key to financial security is having different income streams, so if one dries up, you've got others to keep you afloat. It could be passive income like investing in stocks, real estate, or starting a side hustle. For instance, I know some of you are creators out there. Monetize your social media. Start a YouTube channel, sell digital products. The options are endless. Principle 3. Invest in yourself. Principle 3 is super powerful. Invest in you. That means your education, your skills, your mindset. You are your biggest asset. Listen, before you can invest in stocks, real estate, or a business, you need to invest in your own knowledge. The more you know, the more you earn. And that's facts. Whether it's reading books, taking online courses, or attending seminars, bet on yourself. Develop high-income skills like coding, digital marketing, sales, or financial literacy. And don't just stop there. Keep upgrading your skills, because the economy is always evolving, and so should you. Principle 4. Live below your means, but invest the difference. This one is crucial. Live below your means, but don't stop there. Invest what you save. It's not just about cutting expenses. It's about putting that money to work. A lot of people think living below your means is about deprivation, but it's not. It's about being smart with your money. Millionaires don't spend everything they make. They save, invest, and build a portfolio that works for them. That could be investing in the stock market, real estate, or starting a business. The point is, make sure your money isn't just sitting in a savings account doing nothing. Let it grow. Principle 5. Surround yourself with success-oriented people. Alright, this is a big one: your circle. The people around you have a massive impact on your success. If you want to be a millionaire, you need to surround yourself with people who think big, who are driven, and who push you to do better. If you're always hanging out with people who don't share your goals, or who doubt your vision, guess what? That energy will rub off on you. Instead, seek out mentors, other mastermind groups, attend networking events, anything that puts you in the room with other success-minded people.
Remember, success leaves clues. And by surrounding yourself with successful people, you'll start to pick up those habits tips and strategies.
Principle 6, learn to leverage debt. Now, I know this one might sound scary, but bear with me, learn to leverage debt. Not all debt is bad. In fact, the wealthy know how to use debt to grow their wealth. When I say leverage debt, I mean using it to your advantage. Think about real estate. You take out a mortgage to buy a rental property. And that property starts generating passive income. Or maybe you take out a business loan to fund a profitable venture. The key is to make sure that debt is working for you, not against you. Be smart, though. Don't rack up consumer debt on things that won't give you a return. Only take on debt if it's going to help you grow your assets. Principle 7, be persistent and adaptable. Last but not least, you've got to be persistent and adaptable. Life will throw challenges your way. But how you react will determine if you make it or break it. The road to becoming a millionaire isn't always a straight line. Sometimes, you'll fail, and sometimes things won't go as planned. But what separates the millionaires from everyone else is they don't quit, they adapt. They pivot, and they keep moving forward. Think of challenges as stepping stones. Learn from your failures, adjust your strategy, and keep grinding. Persistence is everything.
So, there you have it. 7 principles to become a millionaire. It's not just about money, it's about mindset, discipline, and strategy. Start applying these principles today, and who knows, you might be the next millionaire in the making. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notification bell. And let me know in the comments which principle you're going to work on first. And don't forget to check out my other videos on building wealth and financial freedom. Until next time, it's your girl AI Clarence signing out.